Welcome back to our channel. Join us in this exciting vlog, where history meets natural beauty and coastal charm. We take a journey to explore the 5 most beautiful cities on the Croatian Riviera and an exciting bonus location. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure as we capture the essence of these incredible destinations. So, join me on this journey as we discover the hidden gems, taste the local flavors, and soak up the sun along the stunning Croatian Riviera. Let's begin, but do not forget to stay tuned until the end to see our bonus pick. Number 1. Dubrovnik. Known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, Dubrovnik is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most popular destinations in Croatia. Its ancient city walls, charming old town, and breathtaking views of the Adriatic Sea make it a must-visit location. Number 2. Split. Split is another remarkable city on the Croatian Riviera, famous for its blend of ancient Roman history and modern urban life. The highlight of the city is Diocletian's Palace, an impressive Roman monument that now forms the heart of Split's old town. Stroll along the narrow streets, explore the palace's nooks and crannies, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Number 3. Zadar. Zadar is a coastal gem with a rich historical heritage and stunning natural beauty. Don't miss the sea organ, an architectural marvel that produces hauntingly beautiful music using the power of the sea. The Sun Salutation, a solar-powered light installation, is another unique attraction that you can include in your itinerary. Number 4. Rovine. Located in Istria, Rovine is a picturesque city with a distinct Mediterranean charm. Its old town features narrow cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and a beautiful harbor. Climb up the bell tower of St. Euphemia's Church for panoramic views of the city and the Adriatic Sea. Number 5. Hvar. Hvar is an island and a popular summer destination known for its vibrant nightlife, stunning beaches, and crystal-clear waters. The city of Hvar offers a mix of historical sites, such as the 13th-century Hvar fortress, and a lively atmosphere with numerous bars and restaurants. And now for Enribo's bonus pick. But before that, subscribe to our channel if you like our content. This will support us grow and create more videos for our viewers. So, as a bonus location, the city of Pula. Pula is known for its well-preserved Roman amphitheater, the Pula Arena, which is one of the best-preserved Roman amphitheaters in the world. It's a fascinating historical site that offers a glimpse into the ancient Roman era. Apart from the arena, Pula also boasts other Roman ruins and interesting landmarks, such as the Temple of Augustus and the Arch of the Serhi. Additionally, Pula has beautiful beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a charming old town with narrow streets and vibrant squares. The city has a laid-back atmosphere, making it a great place to relax and enjoy the coastal lifestyle. Pula is also a gateway to the stunning Brijuni Islands, a national park known for its lush vegetation, wildlife, and archaeological sites. As the sun sets on our incredible journey along the Croatian Riviera, we hope this vlog has inspired you to explore these breathtaking cities and experience their unique charm for yourself. From the ancient wonders of Dubrovnik and Split to the coastal allure of Zadar and Rovinj, and the vibrant energy of Hvar and Pula, Croatia's Riviera truly offers an unforgettable blend of history, natural beauty, and cultural treasures. So pack your bags, immerse yourself in the warmth of the Adriatic Sea, and create your own lifelong memories in these enchanting destinations. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and until next time, keep exploring and discovering the world's most beautiful places. Safe travels.